On behalf of our cooperative family, our flagship publication, Kentucky Living, and the Governor's Office, welcome to the 2024 Beautify the Bluegrass Governor's Award Ceremony.
These projects were not completed to win an award. They are the result of people in this room taking it upon themselves to identify how they can improve their part of Kentucky and make it more attractive and a better place to live.
Well, good morning, and thank you for being here in your state capital to celebrate these amazing projects that are helping to build our new Kentucky home. Thanks to Kentucky Living and our electric cooperatives for supporting homegrown efforts to make our Commonwealth even more beautiful. First up, we have a project to build a new welcome sign for the city of Beattyville on Highway 11. This project was a team effort to make sure people passing by had a great first impression of the city. Some of the folks on that team effort, Jackson Energy, provided a donation, and the city of Beattyville purchased supplies and materials from local lumber and hardware businesses.
It's very humbling, and it's an honor because working in our community with our community leaders, serving the members alongside of them, that's just something that's the co-op spirit. That's our principal concern for community, so we take great pride in that.
Our next finalist is a 2-year project that has transformed the Main Street area of downtown Danville. The $6 million project helped the Main Street become more pedestrian friendly with new, wider sidewalks, varied utilities, and 60 new trees. Restaurants and coffee shops now have outdoor dining areas for customers. The local park fountain also got an upgrade and created a new gathering spot in the downtown.
We wanted to make a place that was beautiful. I mean, the award today, Beautify the Bluegrass, we made a real effort to make something that we could be proud of and would want to take care of for the future and hand down to our kids. So we're really happy with how it turned out.
Well, Danville's always been a city of first, so we pride ourselves with that, and so we want to encourage everyone to come to our city and see this project, the results of it, and when you're in Danville, I always encourage folks to stop by City Hall, but more importantly, to spend a little money while you're in our community. I push economic development.
Our third finalist is a project that helped with landscaping for the Habitat for Humanity Training Center for Owensboro and Davis County. More than 20 volunteers from Big Rivers Electric Corporation and Kenergy Corporation planted a landscaping barrier on the roadside property. Volunteers planted trees and shrubs, creating a natural noise barrier for the center. This one-of-a-kind facility that will help homeowners learn how to maintain their home and property with hands-on training before moving in.
Well, concern for the community is one of the cooperative principles, and so we're always looking at ways that benefit our members and give back to our members, and our employees really take that to heart. And so I know that they wanted to be part of a project that serves our members, and this is a way to give back.
And just by the sheer principle that we partnered with another cooperative really does demonstrate the true cooperative spirit.
Our fourth finalist is a really creative project, Works of Art That Bloom. Devin Horton created a large batch of botanically based plantable art materials. She created watercolor paints and paper from various items like marigolds, goldenrod, onion skins, indigo, weld flowers and walnuts, recycled newspaper, leaves, and grass. Then, with the handmade watercolors and paper, she organized an event for her Bellevue community to create their own works of art with her handmade materials. The artworks were then planted at a vacant lot that neighbors considered a blighted area.
I'm totally honored, totally unexpected from doing this project, and it just feels really special to be here and to be with other people doing a lot of good in Kentucky.
Our last finalist is the Friends of Red River, which hosts monthly cleanups from May to September. This is Kentucky's only nationally designated wild and scenic river. And these volunteers have kept it clean and beautiful for visitors by removing tons of garbage and thousands of tires.
Russ started the Upper Red cleanup in 1996, and that has had a ripple effect on Friends of Red River, and we now have cleanups May through September on different sections of the Red River, so trying to hit lots of different parts and clean out the tires and trash that get discarded there or get washed down. We did have a record low this year in 2024, and we only pulled out 17 tires, so pretty remarkable.
So it's a good sign.
That's progress, yes.
I want to congratulate all of you for being finalists in the Beautify the Bluegrass Governor's Awards finalists, but more important, thank you for your cooperative spirit. Thank you for caring about your communities. Kentucky Living readers get to vote for their favorite Beautify the Bluegrass project, which brings me to today's big announcement. Remember, while it's called the Governor's Award, it was voted on by people, and I did not select this. So please join me in congratulating the recipient of the 2024 Beautify the Bluegrass Governor's Award, Jackson Energy in the city of Beattyville, for the Highway 11 welcome sign.
It really brings home the cooperative principle of concern for community. We live there, we work there, and we take great pride in the communities that we serve. And just being able to be recognized for this, to win this award twice for this community, we really are humbled.